Ready to turn your old PC or laptop into a fast modern Android machine? I'm running Bliss OS and it is super smooth. Apps open quickly, multitasking works great, and the taskbar really makes it feel like a desktop. I am surprised how stable this is. It feels just like using a regular Android tablet, but on my PC, even heavy apps like YouTube and games run fine. It's honestly really usable. In this Bliss OS installation tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to install it. Bliss OS is an open source operating system that brings the Android experience to PCs, tablets, Chromebooks, and laptops. Want to experience Android on your PC? Then watch this video from start to finish. I am very sick to see that 90% of my viewers did not subscribe to my channel, so click the subscribe button and let's get started. First, open your browser and come to this website. Here, click on Download button. Now click on 15 version because OS 16 is a beta version. Now click here. Now click on this ISO file to download it. I have already downloaded. We will need another tool called Rufus. Come to this website to download Rufus. Now scroll down and download the latest version. Once both files are downloaded, run the Rufus. Click here and select your USB. Now here select the ISO file. Here make sure that FAT32 is selected, and this press enter. Now our bootable USB is ready. Now if you want to boot your laptop or PC using this USB, then connect it to your PC and continuously press boot key of your PC. You can see boot keys for different type of computers. Once you enter in the BIOS, then navigate to boot menu and select the USB drive, then press enter. Now Bliss OS boot screen will appear. Use arrow keys to select Bliss OS installation, then press enter. Here select an empty drive to boot Bliss OS alongside Windows and press enter. Select yes and your computer will automatically reboot to Bliss OS. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.